Hi everybody, it's Erica. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. I'm so glad that you're here. Today I want to kind of go through and make a business budget. As weird as that sounds, my business hasn't really gotten up and started yet, but I do think it is a good idea to track everything and kind of build out a budget every month just so that you can see what happens. So I've got here my business budget stickers all set up and ready to go. I also have on the flip side, because it's a business, somewhere where I can track my taxes. Right here I'm going to go ahead and put federal, which is 15.3% self-employment tax, and state, I am in Kentucky, so ours is 5% now. So 20.3% is what I'm going to end up putting on the sticker sheet on the other side. I also have a mileage tracker, so if I happen to go anywhere to buy anything, any types of supplies like auto blades or anything, I would track that here because mileage is tax deductible. And then this is my transaction log. A lot of people have it as an expense tracker and they only will track the category and the amount type of thing, but I wanted to replace my checkbook registers, so I am doing it all on one sheet. That way I can reconcile it at the end of the month and I have everything that I need at a glance. So I'm hoping that this works for you guys as well. But there we have that. So let's turn back around here. I'm going to put 20.3 just as a reminder down here that that's what we're going to keep. And then I have decided that this bottom line here, we're going to estimate our profit. So that is income minus expenses is going to give you your profit. The taxes are based on the profit amount, which is why that's there. So we would take 20.3% of whatever that number is to set back for taxes, and then we would have our net profit, which is the amount that's actually, free and clear. And I used to sell Mary Kay Cosmetics, and back then they advised me to always reinvest a certain percentage of your profit into your business and then pay yourself the rest. So what I have decided to do, and I'm not going to write these on the stickers because this ended up kind of dark. I'm just going to write it below. I'm going to do 30% reinvest and 70% salary, because some people are going to say that that's a high number to be paying myself, but the expenses for the business should be covered here. So I think it'll be okay. Okay, so let's jump in this. I do have printable versions of all of these. I printed this on a Brother laser printer, so it's not quite as pretty as my stickers. The colors end up different, so beware of that. But I kind of draw these out on the printable first. That way I can make it as ugly as I want to, moving things around. This is what I will actually give to my tax person at the end of the year, because in here I will track all of the expenses and stuff that she's going to need to do my taxes. Anyway, so I have an Etsy shop, which right now is nothing. I have joined a couple of affiliate programs. Right now the income on that is nothing. There will be an Erin Condren referral link in the description box in case you like this planner. It is a deluxe monthly planner. I think they just call them monthly now. But I love it. It's just the calendar view and then the notes pages. So love it. If you use that link, you get $10 off, and they'll send me $10 off also. So that would be a way to support my channel if you're interested. This is Amazon, where I can make books and put them online. Ads, which I don't currently have up on anything. I'm just making a placeholder for it. And then other. So my projected income from my business is the Big Fat Weapon, 0. Hopefully it doesn't stay that way, but that is what it is for now. I'm really hoping that this can build up and replace my second job. So we'll see how that goes. Now I'm going to write down my variable expenses because I don't want to drag my hand over this. So right now I have cutting supplies, designs, and software. I don't need anything for that this month. I'm going to budget $10 for designs because I've got to get the next month's out. Equipment. Etsy fees, because those fees are real, y'all. Whether you're selling anything or not. I'm going to sit back $20 for that. Furniture. It's a Big Fat Weapon, 0. Office supplies. 0, because I've already made that investment. Shipping supplies is 0 because I've already made that investment. Sticker paper, I'm going to put 70. And then miscellaneous, because who knows what might come up. I'm going to put 0. So 70, 90, 100. Those numbers are easy enough. And then over here I've got Canva, which is $12.95. BookBolt, which helps with designing the KDP books, is $9.99. I'm making a placeholder for GoDaddy. But my fiance works in IT networking, so he already has hosting through GoDaddy, and we just added my sites to his hosting package. So I don't actually contribute to that right now, but that may change in the future, so I want a placeholder for it. And then my ink subscription. I have had HP Instant Ink now for 3 months, I think, for free, which has been nice, but it will start coming out this month. So $11.99 is the package that I got. Those numbers are a little harder to do in my head. So we got $12.95, $9.99, and $11.99. So $34.93. So let's see. our estimated profit. Let's break out the red pen because we are in the negative. 0 minus 134.93 is negative 134.93. And then, of course, you can't take taxes out of a negative number. We're going to 134.93 negative. And at this point, this is as far as we're going to fill this out because this bottom line is going to be based off of this number right here. I don't know if you can see me. But yeah, this bottom line here is going to be based off of this number. So that's what we've got set up for the month of July. If you happen to like these, they are available in my shop. I will leave that link down below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will chat back with you after the month is over to see how this went. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.